navigate this road with all these, I don't know which one to call them, cones? Coming to a stop here at Lambert, going south on LaCholla. Just take a look. That's the old road right there. Rather than I wish I had a better way to hold this camera for you, but I don't. So you get some jittery moments. And this is the one of the underground animal tunnels that they're putting in. This is supposed to go underneath the road. The road will be up there when it's completed. And looks like they repaved this road slightly since the last time I was down it. Done a little something here. It feels smoother. Up until we get to here. Now you can hear the road. This is the old road. Very much going on down this part. I should have probably had this camera started when I left up on the northern end because there was a lot more work being done up there. But this project is supposed to be finished in September of 2020. I believe it's going to be 4 lanes, 2 going each direction when they're finished. And don't believe the detour sign. It's not much of a detour at all. It's just another whoop-de-doo like we just went around. Hopefully they get some more work done on this part of it this coming fall, because this has been pretty much this way all summer here down this end of the road. The other end of the road that where I did not have the camera going had more construction work going on that I haven't seen before since I last drove this road. So this is pretty similar to everything I've seen, except for it looks like they've built up that side a little bit more now for directional purposes, but they didn't have it quite that high, I guess, the last time I was here. But and we're actually coming up near the end of the construction zone now, so this stoplight here is the end of this construction. But yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed that short little trip down LaCholla, and maybe I'll do another one of these on Friday going north. Have a good day.